Hi everyone. Today I would like to discuss about one of the important topic in coordination chemistry is nothing but heptacity. So heptacity is nothing but we know in a complex a bond formed between a metal and a ligand. Okay, so the ligand is an donor atom and form bond with metal. So So in a complex, the ligand linked with the metal atom. So based upon the heptacity is denoted in the form of eta to the power of n. So the heptacity is nothing but eta to the power of n. So what this is eta, and n is equals to 1, 2, 3 and so on. So this is nothing but n, the ligand attached to the metal atom. That means the number of carbon atoms of a ligand, number of carbon atoms of a ligand attached to metal is the value of n. So in this concept we should know what is the value and what are the types of like ligands. Okay, so in the heptoligands there of heptacity there of mono heptoligands, eta value is 1, and diheptoligands and trihepto and tetra, penta, hexa and so on. So these are all the values. So let us see what are the types of the ligands and what is its heptacity. So suppose if you see an monoheptoligands, it's nothing but that is the value is eta 1. So for these monoheptoligands, metal attached to one carbon atom of the ligand, and in the same way M is attached to, see, this is a cyclopentane compound, a metal attached to one carbon atom, and then in the same way if a metal attached to 6-membered ring, this metal attached to one carbon atom. So this is the type of monoheptoligand and its heptacity is equals to 1. The value is 1. So this is one case, and coming to the another diheptoligands, that means the heptacity value diheptoligand eta value is 2. Okay, so the metal attached to the ligand of 2 carbon atoms. See, in the same way metal attached to the 2 carbon atoms. Then another case, see, this is the eta value is equals to 2. Next, in the same way, if you see triheptoligands. So in the triheptoligands, this is a 3-carbon ligand and this is the delocalization of electron. So when a metal attached to the 3 carbon atoms of the ligand, then its value, heptacity value is 3. If in the same case, this is a cyclopentane cyclopropane. So this cyclopropane, when a metal attached to the cyclopropane, its heptacity will become 1. Why? Because this metal attached to one carbon. So this is the difference. So next, in the same way, if the metal attached to ligand of 4 carbon atom, that is, this is an tetraheptoligand. So what is the case here? The eta value will be 4. So eta value will become 4. So if you see the case here, this is the ligand of 4 carbon atoms. This is what, nothing but 1,3 butadiene. So the delocalization of the electrons between the 4 carbons. So the metal attached to this ligand of 4 carbon atom, its heptacity will become 4. Okay. So we have seen in the same way for penta and hexa type of ligands. So up to now we have seen how the metal attached with different type of ligands of carbon atoms. Next we'll go into the examples of solving the problems related to heptacity. So see, if you see these are the few examples. So in these examples, if you see, let us see the calculate its heptacity. So it will be very easy and you can able to understand clearly. Okay. So what is it heptacity? When a metal attached to how many membered core ring? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is an delocalized. So when this metal attached to this type, what will happen? Its heptacity value N is equals to 6. So in the same way, what about this? A metal, 2 metals and 1 carbon. But the thing is that the ligand attached carbon is not depends upon the number of metals. It depends upon the number of carbon atom the metal attached. So its heptacity N will become 1. So in the same way, the next example, when this metal attached to such type of ligand, how many carbon atom it was attached to? Only 1 carbon atom. So its heptacity value is 1. Next, if you see the another example, the metal, how many carbon of ligand it was attached? It was attached to 1. So what is its heptacity value? 1. Okay. So next, if you see this example, when the metal attached to this pi bond, that means it attached to a ligands of 2 carbon atoms. So its heptacity will become 2. Okay. So this is one of the important example of, we call this as a Jesus salt. Okay. This is nothing but Jesus salt. So what is the heptacity of this ligand? See, this ligand attached to the metal, in which way it attached to 2 carbon atoms. So its heptacity value will become as 2. Okay. Let us see 2 more examples on regarding this. See, this is one of the complex. Let's calculate its heptacity value. So see here, the metal attached to how many carbon atoms? It attached to 1 carbon atom. So its heptacity will become eta is equals to 1. Okay. What about this case? The metal attached to a carbon of 1, the ligand of 1 carbon atom. So what about its heptacity? This eta value will become 1. So what about this case? We have seen in the previous example also, when the metal attached to a pi bond, it has 2 carbon atom. The ligand of has 2 carbon atoms. Each eta value will become as 2. Okay. So what about this case? The metal attached to the how many membered carbon atom of the ligand? It's nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So its eta value will become as 8. Have you understood clearly? So next, if you see the another example, see this has been the metal iron has been attached to 2 pi bonded. So what about its heptacity? Heptacity, see here 2 plus 2 is nothing but eta is equals to 4. Okay, I hope this video was very helpful for you to understand the concept of heptacity and do some more examples in the few books. And thank you for listening. All of you please subscribe my channel so you will be getting the further notifications, all the related topics whatever I have done the videos. So please subscribe. Thank you.